everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Very fresh faced this morning for the obvious reason that I am going to be doing my makeup on camera. I have not done a makeup video in so long, and to be quite honest with you, I'm breathing so heavily because I'm 7 months pregnant, so sorry about the panting. Yeah, I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup, to be quite honest with you. I've been pregnant and we've been in lockdown, and but I'm trying to get like back into it, trying to get out of like a funk. So I thought I've kind of worked out this 5-product routine that really works for me, and obviously being a mum, it's 5 products, it's quick, and I just thought I'd share it with you. Now, just to pre-warn you, Clint is DIYing downstairs, and there may be the occasional drill sound effect, hammer sound effect, that kind of thing. Also, Leo is here and he will no doubt run in any minute now wanting to know what I'm doing. But hey ho, 'tis life. So before I start, because I'm going to get straight into it because I cannot stand like makeup videos that are like 20-30 minutes long. I don't have the time to do my makeup for 20 minutes, do you know what I mean? Let's get into it. I have got moisturiser on, so I always do my moisturiser base before I start my makeup, and if you're interested, the moisturiser that I use is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. My viewfinder's upside down, so it's really hard to work out what to do. Camera's falling apart. But yeah, I will link this. It is heavenly. And yeah, I never do my makeup without moisturiser underneath. So let's start with the base, okay? I much prefer a BB cream to a foundation these days. So if you don't know what a BB cream is, it's like a tinted, again, can't work out my viewfinder, it's like a tinted moisturiser, but some have more coverage than others. I just find it is just so much nicer to wear frequently than foundation. If I was getting really dolled up, I'd wear foundation, but for the daily use, BB cream is just the one. So I have found a new one, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I was moaning about it the other day because I bought it and I must have, without realising, bought like the travel edition. I mean, it's teeny, it's not going to last me long at all. However, it's amazing, and I will 100% be buying the big one when this is all gone. So it's called Airborean Korean Skin Therapy BB Cream, and I got it in shade Nude. I will link it below so you can see it for yourself, but I just use my beauty blender. So using my beauty blender, I'm just going to put on my BB cream. Easy. Literally takes seconds, and you've got yourself a nice base with like minimal coverage but enough coverage, and it just feels like a moisturizer, and oh, BB cream is just so yummy. My next product, so product number 2 out of 5, is going to be some concealer. So I use the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. It is the best concealer I have used forever, and so cheap. Like, it reminds me of the Double Wear concealer that I used to use, and it's like nowhere near the price. So I just put a tiny bit under each eye, and then I just had a couple of spots on my chin, and I'm just going to beauty blend it. So product number 3 is an illuminator. So I have a lot of illuminator, highlighter, whatever you want to call it, but my number 1, the OG of all highlighters, is obviously the Iconic London Illuminator. This is a liquid highlighter, and it is powerful. Like, I've had this for over a year. You only need the tiniest little drop. So that is my product number 3, and I'm literally just going to put a tiny drop above each cheekbone. I mean, so tiny. I put a little bit on the tip of my nose and a little bit in my T-section. Again, beauty blender to the rescue, and I'm just gonna blend it into my cheekbone. So you might be thinking I haven't used any contour. That's because this is like a daily makeup routine. I would only put on contour if I was really going for it. It's definitely not something I would use on the daily. If we were going out for dinner, I mean, we're in lockdown right now, so fat chance of that. But if we were going out, getting dressed up, I would 100% contour as well. But for daily makeup, nah. Just gives a little healthy glow. So we're literally nearly finished. I mean, I told you it's quick, it's easy, it's 5 products. So product number 4, I'm going to do my brows. So I do not use a brow pencil because I tint my brows at home. If you are curious as to what I use to tint my brows, it is this, the Eyelure Dye Brow. So easy to use at home. I use it once a week and it means that you literally don't need an eyebrow pencil. I'll link this for you as well. One brow product that I'm actually going to use is this. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And I literally just use it to brush and set my brows. So I literally just brush them into place. Gives that sort of laminated effect. And yeah, they call it 24-hour, and to be honest, they're not wrong. It does keep them in place all day, which other cheaper ones that I've used really don't do. This one 100% keeps them in place all day. I've been a bit cheeky and put product number 5 as like a 2-in-1. So product number 5 is a lip liner and a gloss. Some people hate gloss, but recently I've just been really enjoying having a liner with a gloss. It's just a bit more subtle, a bit easier just for like day to day. The liner that I'm going to use is by MUA Intense Colour Lip Liner, and it's in shade TLC. So I'm just going to line. Like so. And then this gloss is, I've used it so much. It's like coming off something gloss. It's by Rimmel London and it's in shade 130 Glossy Cat, and it looks like this, but honestly the name's rubbed off because I use it every day. So I'm going to use this to blend out the liner. So that is the 5 products. That is the 5 product routine. I'm just going to sort this out now, so give me 5 seconds. Well, there you go, all done. I thought I might as well make an effort and do my hair as well, seeing as I've done my makeup. But that was my 5 product makeup routine that's really suiting me at the moment. Being a busy pregnant mum in lockdown is just really working for me. There goes the hammer again. All the products that you've seen me use will be linked below in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.